Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, cover your face with your arm while coughing and sneezing. Today, we are going to discuss Computer 7 class, unit number 1, hardware basic. Our topic is expansion slots. What are expansion slots? A socket on the motherboard that is used to insert an expansion card is known as expansion slot. The card which is inserted in expansion slot provides additional features to the computer such as video, sound, advanced graphic, etc. Types of expansion card. How many types of expansion card? There are four types of expansion cards: ISA slot, AGP, PCI Express, and PCI. First is ISA slot. What is ISA slot? The most ancient type of expansion slot is the ISA, which stands for Industry Standard Architecture. It was used for modem. It's a picture of ISA slot. Second one is AGP slot. AGP stands for Accelerated Graphics Board. This type of expansion card we specially designed to deal with graphics adapter. Older PCs may support this expansion slot, but the best video card use PCI expression. PCI Express. What is PCI Express? The best type of expansion slot is PCI Express. This type of port communicate with motherboard and processor both quickly and effectively. The last one is PCI. PCI stands for Peripheral Components in Connect. Interconnect. The PCI is most common from the internal expansion for the PC. Some PCs have a mixture of PCI and PCI expansion. It's so a user should go with PCI Express option. Here is the picture of PCI slots. 1, 2, 3 white pictures. Thank you very much. I hope you understand this lecture fully. And if you had any question, you can ask freely. Stay home, stay safe. Allah be your supporter and helper.